What do we mean by comparison? Sometimes, when you look at two or more things, you automatically say that, for example, your pencil is small, my pencil is big. This is a tall tree. That is a short tree. My school bag is heavy. My brother's school bag is lighter in weight. My school is far away from my house. The hotel is nearby my house, and many such words. All the words used in the examples like small, big, heavy, light, near, far away, tall, short, are all words of comparison. Look at the picture alongside. What do you see in this picture? Yes, there is a primary school shown. Two students are playing inside the school, and a girl is outside the school gate. There is a post box in front of the school. What do you see behind the school? Yes, there are mountains behind the school. There are small plants inside the school premises. There is a big tree outside the school. You can also see a fruit seller in front of the lady doctor. But the girl is behind the doctor. The dog is near the post box. But the fruit seller is far away from the post box. The school bus is far away from school. But the post box is near the school. The birds are flying high above in the sky. The bus can be seen below, running on the road. Children, practice these words of comparison using different pictures and practice writing them. Children, I am sure you all are familiar with the words left, right. Now, imagine that you are walking on a road. You can see many people, trees, birds, animals, vehicles. We use many words regarding position of these objects. Means where you can see them. Some things are seen to the left of the road. Some people are seen sitting under the tree, and so on. Let us understand this with the help of the given picture. Let us use proper words of comparison with respect to objects seen one by one. The dog is seen to the left of the car, whereas the man riding the bicycle is seen to the right of the car. But with respect to the auto rickshaw, the girl driving the scooter is in front of the auto rickshaw. Again, the auto rickshaw is in front of the man carrying the logs of wood. Children, who is to the right of the bicycle riding man? Yes, the fruit seller is to the right of the man riding the bicycle. Who is to the left of the girl driving the scooter? Yes, the girl watering the plants is to the left of the girl driving the scooter. The bird is seen sitting on the tree, while the fruit seller is sitting under the tree. What can you say about the position of the post box? Children, the post box is to the left of the man carrying the logs of wood. In the same way, you can talk about the position of different things looking at different pictures. Now, let us consider other words of comparing things such as heavier and lighter. Now, look at the picture alongside. The girl is holding an empty bag and books are on the floor. Now, the girl has put all the books into that bag. What do you think, children? Which bag is heavier and which is lighter? Yes, the empty bag is lighter in weight, while the bag full of books is heavier than the empty bag. Now, look at the next picture. The man has kept an empty pot under the running tap to fill water in it. Then, the man is carrying the pot filled with water on his head and walking away. The empty pot is lighter than the pot filled with water. Let us learn a few more words of comparison like longer, shorter, taller, shorter, wider, narrower, or broader, narrower, with the help of some examples. Look at this picture of two pencils alongside. Is the size of both these pencils the same? No. The one shown above is a shorter pencil, and the one below is a longer pencil. Let us put one dot for shorter pencil and two dots for longer pencil. Now, look at the paint brushes shown alongside. All paint brushes are of different sizes. Can you paint out the longest and the shortest paintbrush amongst these? We will put one dot against the shortest paintbrush and two against the longest one. See the two trees shown alongside. How will you compare these trees? You will say that one tree is taller and the other is a shorter one. Let us put one dot below the shorter tree and two dots below the longer tree. Look at the mats shown alongside. You can see that one mat is as thin as you all are, whereas the other mat is as fat as me. But no, we cannot use the words thin and fat for mats or other objects. We can say one mat is narrower and other mat is broader. Let us put one dot below the narrower mat and two dots below the broader mat. You see two roads alongside. One goes to your school, the other goes to the bus stop. Both the roads are different in size. We say that the road going to the school is wider and the road going to the bus stop is narrower. Put one dot below the narrower road and 2 dots below the wider road. Now, what picture do you all see here? While walking on the streets, we see a huge road at the top of which there is a lamp or bulbs which are lighted in the evening. There are lamp posts. You can see lamp posts of different sizes. One is short while one is longer. We can see a shortest lamp post. Put 1 dot below it. We can see the tallest lamp post amongst all. Put 2 dots below the tallest lamp post. Students, we have learnt many words of comparison in this chapter. Let us summarize them. Repeat the words with me aloud. 1. Small, big. 2. Near, far or away from. 3. Behind, in front of. 4. To the left, to the right. 5. Longer, shorter. 6. Wider, narrower. 7. Shorter, tallest. You can practice by comparing different objects you see in your surroundings, at your home, at school, and so on. Revise the words over and over again for practice.